So today we are going to see how we can install Liferay and set it up in our computer. But before getting started, what is actually Liferay DXP? So Liferay DXP is an emerging category of enterprise software seeking to meet the needs of companies undergoing digital transformation, with the ultimate goal of providing better customer experience. And DXPs can be a single product but are often a suite of products that work together, and Liferay is going to make your life easy. So the first step in Liferay installation process is we need to download Java Development Kit 8. So let's download that. JDK download. So here we need to select this link, and then we need to scroll down and make sure that you select the 166.28 MB 64-bit if you have a 64-bit operating system Windows. Okay, we will take this and we can download it now. If you have an Oracle account, log in, otherwise create an Oracle account and you can install it. So now our Java is getting installed, JDK 8. So now our JDK has been installed. So the JDK 8 is getting installed. So the installation process is done. So the next step is to set our Java path. So now we need to navigate to the folder where our Java has been installed. So this is where my JDK has been installed. So you need to go to the JDK folder and you need to copy the path. Now since we have copied the path, we need to go to the control panel and we need to go to the advanced system settings. So here we are in the advanced system settings. We need to go to the environment variables and we need to add a new variable, and the name of the variable would be Java_home, and here you need to paste the path that we just copied. This is it. Now you need to click OK. Now the newly created variable must be added in this variable called path. So click on new, and here we are going to type %Java_home %bin, and here we go, the Java path is set. Now we are good to go.